Hello everyone and welcome back once again. Today is Saturday and I thought I was going to go to the Garmisch Partnerklam, and I'm here now at Neuperlach Süd, and right behind me is Siemens. It's a German company, it's a big plant right over here in Neuperlach Süd, and there's a Taylor Swift concert happening in Munich today. So hotel that I was at initially was overbooked, so I had to actually check into another hotel which is like far away from the city. I still have some time before I can check in. What is it now? It's 1 o'clock right now. So yeah, I'm just going to explore Neuperlach Süd for a little bit. Okay, most hotels now have USB ports straight into the wall. So if you have like an adapter that doesn't work in a European country, for example, you just come from India and you don't have a towel adapter, or your adapter doesn't work in the EU sockets, you can directly plug in the USB into the wall like this. I wanted to charge my power bank, but with an Indian adapter it doesn't go in. Now I can charge my power bank straight from the wall. Let the phone charge for a bit. We'll see what we'll do. It's too sunny out. I don't really want to go out. I'm thinking I'll order in something, but we'll see. Bye. Yeah, it's 3:40 in the afternoon and I'm really hungry now and I haven't had lunch and change of plans. So there's nothing I feel like doing outside. People behind me, people in front of me, everyone's going to a Taylor Swift concert and they look like Taylor Swift, all of them. Crazy fans. Anyway, I saw an Asian pickup place at the U-Bahn station where I was earlier, and I'm gonna pick up some noodles or something like that. I'm gonna go back to my room and watch the Belgian Grand Prix qualifying session. I think I'm gonna enjoy that even more. Yeah, I'm really bored. It's very sunny out. Hi everyone, it is 9:45. I took a nice sleep and now I just found a McDonald's close by. Ate some comfort food after a long time and then leave for Stralsund tomorrow morning. Hello guys, welcome to Deep Shivali Satvik's Aerospace Company Private Limited. I've used 4 years of my aeronautical knowledge in this plane and given it a few elevators. Let's see how it goes. Abbe yaar. Ooh, nice. Okay. Nice. Aerospace company is getting better and better. Yo! Crazy! ये अच्छा था. We come on a real runway now. Oh, not bad. Whoa! Finally. यहाँ पे हमारे बन रहे हैं आलू पराठे. स्टफ रेडी है, वहाँ पे पराठा रेडी है ऑलमोस्ट, वहाँ पे वो भी रेडी है, जो भी बोलते हैं उसको. ये शिवाली बहन है यहाँ पे. इसका लास्ट डे है आज स्टारलुंड में. ऑफ कोर्स स्टारलुंड में लास्ट डे है. कल भी पार्टी होगी यहाँ पे. ये है दीप प्रकाश जी. इसने आज आलू बहुत उबाले हैं, इसकी वजह से लेट हुए. और स्टार्टिंग करेगा वहाँ पे. यस, मेरा यहाँ पे काम है. मैंने तेल वेल डाल दिया है, गर्म भी हो गया. अच्छा, अभी आलू पराठे बनेंगे पराठे. थोड़ा बड़ा तो हो गया है वो. 4 बार करना पड़ेगा. चलो कोई नहीं, 4 में करना पड़ेगा. मैं रोटी भी ऐसे ही करता हूँ, रैप वाला. ठीक है, चलो करते हैं वीडियो, बाद में करते हैं आराम से मस्त. अभी खा लेते हैं. ये बाय बोल रहा है, देखो इसको बाय बोलो. It's on. Why? Because it's your first time. It's you and Shivali in the frame. Yes. Teacher and the student. You wanna taste first sweet one or little bit spicy one? I will go with the sweet one first. Good? Amazing moments being captured, guys. Thank you. German eating Pani Puri. This is the setup today. Puris and the stuff and the waters and everything is. Noodles also. There's some good noodles here as well. And juice, yes. There's some juice as well for later. Everyone's busy enjoying Pani Puris now. You can also start. But I need to start. Let's dig in. Boom. Happy birthday, dear Shivali. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Did you start recording already? Yeah. The Prakash. Where's the mic for this? Oh, is this the mic? Hello, 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 hello. It's probably the mic.
Patrick, once again.
This is Shivali, everyone.
Hi.
Is that 5 or 10?
That's 5.
No, give me 5. Give me 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Geh mein auf Deutsch.
Aji lena hai. That is so rude.
I'm done, guys. I've picked up cards already. The next person. बंद कैसे हो गया? अच्छा, I think only the display is right, and it's
Yeah.
still recording.
Yep.
Ah,
As
nice.
long as it's red,
So I can see it here. Ah, okay.
Your turn.
Crazy. Oh, nice. Oh wow. Okay, I'm impressed. Guys, this is Deep Prakash. Deep, what do you want to say? Are you ready? Are you ready for the camping trip?
Yeah, I'm too excited.
Okay. How are your exams?
It's fair.
Okay. Let's play Uno for a bit. What's the color?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. We are marking in reverse. I'm outside talking on a moderately low volume right now, but I'm facing this at me and it's at the same distance from my hand now, from my face. This is how the footage looks like. This is Stralsund, Germany, everyone. How's the legs, guys? My legs are gone. You set up the tent, guys. Right here. A lot of mosquitoes. Change of plans, guys. Weather conditions are not that great, but two of us have still decided to go all the 40 kilometers on bike. I'm not sure if I should eat this apple. Okay, guys, it's not safe anymore. And who knows what the stop is called? Mountains. Unfortunately, I don't see any pricing information available here.
Bro, I think it's better if you buy from the ticket officer.
It's not like we have a choice now. It's pretty crazy out there. Not recommended for a bike at all.